dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The House of Rep proposes bill to stop the Northwest, Southwest, and the South-South from presidential election. Moving on, Prof. Wàhàla says that no results so far to show that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu came prepared. Alright people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn on notification bell whenever we drop our videos so that now you could be the first to watch out. My people, no be small matter, I don't carry con give on today. Ojemojoto, a member of the House of Representatives, is proposing a bill to include power rotation in the constitution for all elections. He is a member of the People Democratic Party (PDP) representing Upper Agata Federal Constituency of Benue State. The bill, which is yet to be listed for first reading, proposes to amend Section 133, 179, 48, and 49 of the Constitution to rotate the office of the President among the 6 geopolitical zones, with each state holding the presidency for a maximum of 2 terms. This proposed legislation aims to prevent the geopolitical zones that have previously produced presidents since May 1999 from doing so again until all other zones have had the opportunity to produce a president. The Northeast, the North Central, and Southeast geopolitical zones have not produced presidents since 1999. So the draft bill also seeks to rotate the office of the governor among the 3 senatorial zones within a state, as well as the senatorial election among all federal constituencies within a senatorial zone. So it's also to seek, prohibit a local government from producing a member of the House of Representatives for the second term of acting until all local governments within the federal constituency have had their turn. The bill proposes to add subsection 2, 3, and 4 to section 133. The 2 says that the office of the President of Nigeria shall revolve around the 6 geopolitical zones, with each state holding the office for a maximum of 2 terms of 4 years each, to give every section and state in Nigeria a sense of inclusion, participation, and representation in Nigeria's democracy. Y3 also said that any zone in Nigeria which has produced a president of the Federal Republic shall not be eligible to produce another president until the other zones takes their turn. While Section 4 said that the effective date for the consideration and the rotation of power shall be 29th of May 1999, when the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended became effective. I think this makes sense. This is not eradicating democracy, rather, it's making the power to go around, which is only fair. If your entire geopolitical region can't come up with a good candidate, then something is wrong somewhere. Rather than power being situated in just one area, if we were using just votes for primaries and general election, only the Northerners will rule this country. Same applies to the gubernatorial and even local government. I believe everybody have various ward and local governments, so let the leadership go round. I don't think there's a way this bill will fly because Southwest and Northwest National Assembly will not allow it. These people supporting this move are people that are going to benefit from it, and the people against it are people that will not benefit anything. Nigerians will always be Nigerians. This may sound appealing to people it will favor, but it's not the solution to our problem. The major problem we have in this country is accountability. Without it, corruption. And corruption is the master of all things. Don't forget, we have had many presidents in this country. Why are they all failing? The only reasonable one was Yar'Adua regime. We have a long way to go. Also, don't forget, without electricity, this country can never move forward. How is it even possible? So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. Let us know if this bill can fly. Because only the Southwest, Southeast, and Northwest have homogeneous tribe. Others have many different tribes. Even if the bill is passed, there will still be problem. It's better, they leave it like that. So guys, I would like to know your suggestion in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. A professor of social ethics at Bùrst University, Nimi Wàhàla, says that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has not produced any results so far to show that he came prepared into the office. That 8 months into the government system is too long not to have a plan. Wàhàla lamented that the president who won the federal 2023 presidential election on the platform of All Progressive Congress (APC) had no let-down plan to cushion the economic effects of the petrol subsidy removal and other policies. He described the current administration policies as knee-jerk reactions, saying that the government of the days lack vision, that there is no point complaining about the ex-president Muhammad Buhari, that there is no point complaining about the goodness or the expectation of Buhari. Now the ball is in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's court, and he has to do it because he said that it was his turn. People keep saying that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was prepared, that he has been a politician, but the test of everything is the results we are seeing. So Wàhàla said he hasn't seen any results so far that would justify that accolade being heaped upon him. That the Bible said, if your strength fails you on the day of adversity, it's too small. And he always tell people that if your strength fails you on the day of adversity, it was not there. It's a simple case that we are not seeing the results. We are not even seeing a clear vision of where the country is going. Nigeria is battling rising inflation, food inflation, forest crisis, economic hardship, and high cost of living occasioned by the removal of petrol subsidy, attracting protests in parts of the country. What is the use of power when you can't use it effectively well to achieve quick results? Because of what President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said, now people are thinking that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just wants to be president, not because he has anything positive to offer, just that he think it is his turn. That is the reason why he's there. My question is, was there any time President Bola Ahmed Tinubu promised to come prepared? He only said it was his turn. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when there's to drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. To all our viewers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe, guys. Bye.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me. I promise that you